Wow.
Pay attention to this problem up here, please.
Why?
Solve the equation, mostly because I'm telling you to.
Why?
Lauren. Okay, solve the equation 2x cubed minus 3x squared minus 11x plus 6 equals 0, given that 3 is already a solution. Okay? Solve that equation for all other solutions, given that 3 is already a solution.
Is that thing where, it was like the plus or minus, like you take all the...
Hold that thought. Let me show you first, okay?
Do you just use that in the for the -4?
Here's what we do. Yeah, 3 is, before you start reminiscing about the good old days in algebra 2. Here's what, okay, 3 is already a solution. That means I know that if I were to do polynomial long division with x minus 3 or synthetic division with positive 3, I should get no remainder. Okay? So that's, my coefficients are 2, -3, -11, 6. I bring down the 2, multiply it 6, get a 3, get a 9, get a -2, get a -6, get a 0 remainder. Did I do that correctly?
Yes.
Okay. Now, what this tells me is that if I were to divide this by x minus 3, well, let me write it this way. This tells me that x minus 3 is one factor, and that 2x squared minus 3x minus 2 is another. Okay? This tells me if I multiplied these two things together, it would get me back to this cubic polynomial. Now, we're looking for other solutions. We know that 3 is one solution. The other solutions are going to be the solutions to this remaining quadratic. How many different ways do we have to find the solution of a quadratic? Multiple. We can try factoring it. We can try completing the square. We can try the quadratic formula.
Divide it again?
Can we divide it again?
We could, but how would we know what to divide by?
Plus 3.
I think we should do synthetic division.
Synthetic division again?
No. I wouldn't do
Who remembers, okay, I was going to get to this tomorrow, but does anyone remember how would we know what to guess if we were going to do synthetic division again?
Oh, it was like,
I don't know.
I know, something.
Okay, it's getting a little ahead of where I wanted to be, and Dina's missing it. Hi, Dina, good timing. Okay, if we wanted to know, if we wanted to guess and use synthetic division again, rather than the quadratic formula or anything else,
Yeah.
I'll go into why this is tomorrow, but the possible choices to have rational ones will be multiples,
P over Q.
multiples of this number, which we call
I remember
P,
that.
divided by multiples of this number, which we call Q.
Oh
That's what you're
my
talking about.
God.
That made me trip up.
Okay, so it's plus or minus 1 or 2
No.
divided by plus or minus 1 or 2, which means our possible choices are plus or minus 1, 2, 1/2, and that's it, right? Anything else, like 2 over 1 gets the same as 2.
I kept getting it so lost.
Yeah, because like, if it's like 36, it's so annoying.
Oh, if it's like 36
And
to
I would
1
forget about if
124 the other,
Like
then
I
it
would
can take forever.
forget if Q like was.
Okay, well that's getting a little ahead of ourselves. The point is, when you're given this problem, what you're really being asked to do is solve this quadratic. How did you get to this quadratic? You had to do synthetic division with the solution they already gave you.
Q over P.
P over Q. Last number over the first number. Anyone want to do it this way? Take a guess? James. 1. James says 1. Okay, so we do 1, 2, -3, -2. This is a real test of how lucky you are.
That doesn't work.
1 times 2 is 2.
James, why'd you do that?
-1. 1 times, nope, doesn't work.
Negative 2.
Fail, no 0.
I go with 2.
-2, I heard Brandon say. Let's see how lucky he is. -2 with 2, -3, -2. Bring down the 2, -4, -7. Oh no. Who's got another one?
Oh my
Just
God.
normal 2.
Side already.
Normal
1
2.
half.
10.
Pardon?
Negative
Have we tried -1 yet?
half.
That's not an option. No.
I thought we tried 1. Okay.
No, it's do 2.
2, -2, -5, fail.
No.
2.
1 half.
It's going to be 1/2 probably. 2?
God.
It
Why
works.
is
Wait,
this
I'm waiting
listening
to
to me?
I'm waiting to see if Lauren's brain explodes. Wait. No! And we fail.
Seriously?
Yeah,
Try 1/2.
we're trying one
No,
half.
wait, that would work. 'Cause it's...
No, it wouldn't.
No, isn't it right here too?
Wait, I trust Johnny enough to check it again.
It's 2.
It does work because I
Or-
factored.
Yeah.
Negative 1.
It's 1, not
One.
-1.
No,
It's
it's
positive
-2,
1.
it's
He's
negative.
right. It
Oh.
works.
Ah, Lord.
Screw
Okay,
yourself.
so this now tells me, okay, that, thank you, Johnny, f of x equals x minus 3 times x minus 2, switching this sign, and what's left is 2x plus 1, getting my coefficients of my linear term from here. Which
And then
tells me
1/2 also works.
negative 1/2.
Well, whatever.
Well, slight difference.
Well, I got the 1/2 part.
Okay.
2x plus 1.
Because when I got no
Oh,
remainder
this
here,
is to me.
I had a 2 and a 1, which are the coefficients of the linear term.
Okay.
So now, my actual solutions, it would solve the equation. All the zeros are now actually x equals 3, x equals 2, and x equals, Lauren, negative 1/2.
Wait, you know what? At least I got the number. I think it's the, like,
Okay.
in the thing.
Questions, comments, concerns, compliments?
Ah.
Thank you.
That.
All right. Matt, all right.
My
Steven?
head hurts.
Cut.